Sambaleño, iba is the necos, nandito ang Kapitolyo. Point to the east, going point to the west. We got all you want facilities at mga beaches. Hospitality, yap kami ang nangunguna. Tourist spot at magaling pang makisama. Mula sa mga mayor at maging gobernador, madali nyo lang napitan, humingi lang ng pabor, you can adore. The beauty of this province, subukan kilatisin at siguradong makakonvince. Tanda mo duman, no anong kot, I eat 3 times a day, labong saluyot, ha. Watch our first major concert for our cause. Veteranong Tukis, watch out. Kita-kita tayo doon.